Hello baby world! Today we suggest you to overview children's jogging stroller Pliko Mini Manri from the Italian brand Peg-Perego. Peg-Perego Pliko Mini Manri is the smallest infant stroller, which despite its size can stand on its own. It is designed for children aged from 6 months, although it has a certification allowing using it from the first days of birth up to approximately 3 years. So you can use it in the first month when needed. It is designed for a maximum child's weight of 20 kilograms. Specifications. The type of the stroller folding is an umbrella. It is folded with one hand. You do not even need to bend down. Pull the clips on both sides of the handle for this. Then, pull the handle from the bottom of the stroller in front of the basket and fold it. The stroller is locked automatically. It is also equipped with a special side handle to carry it folded. The stroller can stand by itself. At the same time, when folding, the fabric does not become dirty, since the basket hides inside. Pull the clips again and unfold the stroller. Then press the pedal below the stroller to unlock it. You can carry the baby facing forward. The child is fixed during a walk with 5-point safety belts, adjusted in height. You can stretch them through the holes in the stroller cover, changing the height of the safety belts. You can also adjust the belts in length using the clips on belts. You can conveniently unfasten them by pressing the central button. The bumper. The bumpers in this model of strollers are not provided. The footrest is adjusted in 2 positions, so that the baby can easily relax. To do this, press the clips on sides behind the footrest. There is also an additional rubber footrest under it, which will be useful for bigger babies. The backrest is tilted in several positions. To do this, press the clips on seat sides and lower the backrest to the desired position. The maximum angle of inclination is more than 150 degrees, which allows you to put a few months baby that cannot sit almost horizontally, without creating a load on the spine. The white hood is made of fabric that protects from UPF 50+ ultraviolet radiation. It is equipped with a peekaboo window of a mesh insert. If the weather is fine, the hood can be completely hidden. When the backrest is unfolded in a horizontal position, it is put on the upper part of the seat. There are 2 ergonomic handles in the form of horns. They are not adjusted. The wheels are made of polyurethane, not inflatable. All 4 wheels are double. The front wheels are swivel 360 degrees and can be locked. Raise the regulators behind each of the front wheels with your foot to lock the wheels. The rear wheels are also locked by lowering the button. To unlock them, raise this button to its original position. The front wheel diameter is 14.6 centimeters. The basket is made of a mesh fabric. It can withstand a weight of up to 5 kilograms. You can put there all necessary things for walks and even take something with you on your way. The stroller dimensions in the folded form are 34 by 34 by 94 centimeters. In the unfolded form, 100 by 49 by 83 centimeters. Peg-Perego Pliko Mini Manri children's jogging stroller is stylish, compact, folding, lightweight, and therefore very practical. The chassis is made of aluminium, making the stroller maneuverable and easy to operate. It is perfect for carrying in any vehicle, a bus, a train, or a car trunk, and also on a plane, but in the luggage compartment. You can easily put it in an elevator to take it down the stairs. Lightweight and compactness are the main advantages of this stroller. Thank you for review. If you like this video, press like and subscribe to our channel. Till next time.